Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see which are the stocks going to benefit on COVID vaccine distribution and its manufacturing raw material things. Already we discussed about manufacturing companies and COVID Sputnik V vaccine, Russia's manufacturing companies in India, and now it's Linde India, which is a leading industrial gas company and which has a delivering initiatives, quality and reliable solutions for customers over 75 countries. Friends, it is having a huge benefit, and it's an MNC company, and it has a huge base in India and other countries also. So I am expecting this company will gonna benefit with the oxygen supplies and the chemical gas movements and all other things also, friends. So that's why I am thinking that this company will get good benefit on going forward COVID crisis. That means COVID increases. And the next one is Reflex. So friends, Reflex Industries, which is going to distributes hydrofluorocarbon. That means this is the gas which is used in refrigerations, and it's this company is a distribution channel, and it is also having its business verticals, refrigerator gas and store handling, coal handling plants. So mainly its revenue comes from refrigerating gas movements and their production. And this is a small company, but still I am thinking it will give short term returns. And our best company, which is SRF. Friends, I picked this stock in last videos, but after its Q3 results just missed by 6% uh, compared to previous quarters. The share nearly fallen from 5,800 900 to 5,200, but so many people added the share at 5,200. Within short span of time, the stock again came to its normal levels. If you see the levels, see here, this reached 6,000, and after Q3 results, the share came to 5,200 also. Here, if you not visible here, but it went up to 5,200 also. But here so much of buying happened, and again somewhat time it came here. But see friends, recently in March last week itself and April first week the rally started. So friends, we prefer this stock around trading at 4,000, I think 4,000 around. And going forward we can see other stocks also. SRF, which having a good portfolio of chlorofluorocarbon manufacturing in India, and which has nearly 60% of market in India, chlorofluorocarbon. Friends, I think this Reflex is its distribution and somewhat business also, fluorochemicals, and it having packaging films. This is also good vertical. Specialty chemicals, technical textiles, laminated fabrics. So I am expecting these all will give on a package Q4 results very good for this company. And if you see here, next which share I am going to say is Dr. Reddy's. You all know it's manufacturing and distributing the Sputnik V vaccine in India and other countries also. Next one is Gland Pharma, also having partnered with COVID vaccine of Russia. And its friends, Vial manufacturing company like Borosil Limited. Here two companies are there, Borosil Limited and Borosil Renewables. Borosil Renewables is a glass manufacturing company of for solar, and Borosil Limited is a pharma glass, consumer glass and laboratory glass. But friends, see here, cosmetic glass also manufactured by this company. I am thinking that it will give some better results this time. Last quarter it doesn't given, that much expected results. Due to that the share fallen, but this is also one of the beneficiary of solar these glasses, wire glasses, but this will definitely benefit uh, Haldian Glass Limited. Why? Because it is having mainly its business on this project. Vials are the glass vials are the major business for this company. I am thinking that this company will get good amount of deals on COVID vaccines. And the next thing, see here, the clients base also looking very great for this company, United Beverages and all the related companies, friends. And next we are going to see, this is the friends. What you are going to see is Harrison Malayalam Limited. It's one of the company of India's which is having a largest share in rubber. So for vials we need rubber to fill. After filling the drug or vaccine, we need rubber to stop that to overflow or to close the vial. So this is the main company. See here, India's largest producer of rubber and South India's second largest cultivator of tea. So friends, we picked this share around 50 rupees. Now it is 151 rupees. But friends, still I am expecting further good revenue generation going forward. I am expecting Q4 results will be very good for this company. So friends, these are the companies which I am going to pick on this COVID vaccine distribution channel and manufacturing side. Could benefit, but we definitely said some few companies will benefit, but after results you will know how it will act. So friends, thank you very much. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.